Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a couple of luxury items that I picked up. If it goes too long, I'm going to break it up into two parts. So let's get into the first item. Louis Vuitton. So this is the Christmas edition box with the Christmas edition. Oh, it's called the gift tag. Hello. This is the main reason why I purchased it, is just to get this box. Pull this out. I had it tied. Inside is this beautiful white and gold plated. So this is the ring, Louis Vuitton ring. I don't know if I originally purchased it to go on my middle finger, but I definitely like it. So that is the first item. Let me know what you think about it. Inside of this little bag right here are two of the free samples that they put in my bag just for making the purchase. This ring is called the Headline in white and it was for $480. The next item is Chanel, the camellia, the ribbon with Chanel written all over it. It's called Logo Ribbon. So there's the camellia. Inside is that little sticker that I commented about before in my last video, that I usually see a sticker that says Chanel and not a sticker with a double C on it. So I believe the double C sticker that I shared with you in the last luxury unboxing was for beauty items. Oh, you can't see me open it. This is it. Oh, yes. Inside is a Chanel scarf. This is gorgeous. So we have classic black and white with the Chanel double C's, the camellias. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. I can wear it on. Oh, look at it. Oh my gosh. Right here it says, can you see Coco Chanel? This is gorgeous. I can wear it on my head. I'm going to hide this from my daughter. I can tie it around here. I can wear it as a shirt. Tie it on my purse. If I find the price, then I will list it down below. Let's get into this La Mer. This is the bag. I love La Mer's products. They're a little bit on the expensive side. So let's open this up. And this is the La Mer Moisturizing Soft Cream. And then inside, the neck and décolleté. Ooh, I think that's wrong. Concentrate. Then we have the Lifting and Firming Mask. More moisturizing cream. So we got two of the moisturizing creams. And then the Eye Concentrate. That's the last item. They're small size, almost like a trial size. While I was shopping, I also picked up the Roja Perfume 1.7 full ounce perfume. Very pretty box. On the side, it says Roja and Courtesy. Very nice. And here is the bottle. Look at that. It's just like, oh, look at the bottle. It's just laying in like a bed of clouds. Of course, it's not clouds, but that's what it looks like or reminds me of. But look at the bottle, specifically the top. Is that not gorge? Yes. Let's spray it. It's nice and classy. That's my description of this perfume. Moving on. Also picked up Apex from Roja Perfumes.